Behind the line. 3, 2, 1, go.
And they're off. Strike force knocking over that hopper, and they are going to go for that high goal shot wall. 858 lines up for a gear. They're going to get that into their airship, but so is the Blue Alliance. They're going to get a gear up as well. We've got a rotor spinning on each side, but Strike Force is going to get their 16 kPa and bring them up by a couple of points there. 2771 not getting their gear in autonomous, but they are going to pick it up as their drivers step forward. 858 lining up for another gear, and they've got it, but it slips out. Can they knock it out of the way and catch one? They've got two robots down here, and it looks like they're going to slip again. 2771 having a gear stuck on top of the robot. They're going to ram into the wall and knock it back into place. Strike Force knocking over another hopper, already halfway there to their 40 kPa. They're going to fly back down the field as Demons go for another gear, and they get it this time. They're going to fly back down the field, and they're going to go get another gear onto their airship. We have 2771 trying to line up a gear as well. They drop it on the floor, but that's not going to stop them. They're going to go back, and they're going to grab a new one, while 4409 does the same. 2767 lining up with the boiler again. They're going to start firing. 3458, their alliance member, putting a gear up for them. 75 seconds left on the clock. We've got two rotors spinning on each side, but it looks like Blue Alliance is going to get their third started right here. Two more gears over on the red side. They've got two robots getting their gears already. 60 seconds left on that clock. It looks like we're going to have three rotors on each side. 6 in total in this match right now. 858 missing another gear. They're going to turn around and they're going to come back though. 32-34 waiting for them to leave to play some defense on them. We have 2771. They look like they got a gear up, but 4409 got one before them. They're going to start that rotor right now. They've got three rotors on each airship. 2767 is not done with that boiler yet though. They're going to try to get that 40 kPa, or are they going to climb? We will see. They're going to fill up their robot one more time. Head back to that boiler. They're going to get that 30 kPa. 40 kPa that they need. They need 4 more left in this match, and then they're going to climb. We've got 858 climbing. They're going to hit that pad. We've got 32-34, 34-58. Strike Force getting that boiler, and then climbing back up that rope. We're going to have 3 robots. We're going to have 5 robots climbing in this match, with 858 missing theirs by a slight amount. And it looks like we have our final scores. Everybody glue your eyes to that screen in that intense match. Let's see what happened. We're going to have the Blue Alliance taking that match away with a score of 366 to 255. Moving Strike Force up the ranks to